Sunshine. So today I'm going to be unboxing a brand new subscription box with you guys. Today I have the Just Breathe subscription box right here, and before I get into unboxing this, I just want to say for a quick hot second that I believe mental health is so incredibly important. I personally believe, and even if you disagree, that's cool, but I believe that like without mental health, like if your mental health isn't in check, you can't have physical health. Your brain is the most important organ in your body. Your brain is the organ that controls everything, that it's responsible for literally every single part of your body. And I believe that if your brain isn't healthy, I don't think that you can live a healthy lifestyle in any other shape or form. So I prioritize mental health. I think that if something makes you happy, you should go after it. You should do what makes you happy. And as somebody with mental illnesses, like I believe I have anxiety, I have depression, and I just believe that like, I know even in my hard days, like sometimes it's really hard to get out of bed. Sometimes it just feels like the world is crashing down around me, even though everything, like I know that everything is okay. And if you don't have these problems, if you don't have problems with your mental health, like I'm so happy for you, and that's so amazing. But if you have problems with your mental health, know that you're not alone. So if like that whole little speech connects to this, because this is an aromatherapy subscription box, and I love aromatherapy. It literally, when I have anxiety attacks, just having something to smell kind of just helps bring me comfort. For a long time, I've used the Lush Sleepy Lotion because it just makes me feel so calm. And so in that, like, even if you don't believe in aromatherapy, or you're like, what the heck, like what's going on here? Find whatever works for you and do it. Like if you find something that works for your mental health, if you find something that makes you happy, just follow it and forget about what all the negative people say, because whatever works best for you is what you should follow. The end of that long rant. But here we have the Just Breathe subscription box, and there's a little elephant on it, and it says inhale, exhale. So on the side of the box, it says inhale peace, exhale love, and then it says just breathe. So I'm super excited to get into this. The only thing that I'm concerned about is that I'm concerned that one of the bottles might be broken. Like, I don't know if it's bottles or something, but it did come in like a just like a plain plastic, you know, those plastic gray bags. And so I was like, oh no, there wasn't really any extra padding around any of this. So I was like, I'm really hoping that nothing is broken in here. So opening it up, and I am greeted with this pretty black sticker with the elephant and some black tissue paper. So, okay, good news. We got paper snakes in here, so we're all set to go. So I just tore up the tissue paper, and here's what everything looks like. I have a lady on the card. Oh, I'm already dropping things. I'm super responsible. Here I am yelling, but like, they didn't give it up packaging, and I'm dropping stuff. Okay. So it says, oh, it's a little card, and it says, hi, happy warriors. We hope you enjoy this month's feature box, the Relax Box. Something that I need in my life. Dealing with severe anxiety, our CEO needed a healthy and natural solution to function during her busy and stressful life. Aromatherapy helped aid the fight. Lavender was her go-to, so we have decided to spotlight lavender essential oil in this month's box. Each month we will include an original aromatherapy necklace and various mood uplifting products. Our theme boxes include the Energize Me, Serenity, and Lift Me Up, to name a few. And then it has like a what's in your box little section, but since I'm already dropping stuff, I'm not gonna go ahead and like read that, because that takes up the fun out of unboxing. Okay, so here's everything that look like everything else inside of our box. And okay, the first thing I'm gonna pick up is the first thing that I dropped. So it's this purple little satin bag, and I'm gonna open it up. Oh, ooh, oh, that's actually way prettier than I thought it was gonna be. I've heard of aromatherapy necklaces, but I've never like had one. Okay, there we go. There's another piece of jewelry in here. Ooh, okay. So I've never like actually seen them before, and if this is what they are, like I'm totally down for that. That's really cute. I love that little teal ball in the middle. Okay, hold on. It said aromatherapy necklace in the card, so I'm assuming this is an aromatherapy necklace, but maybe it's one of the mood boosting items in here. I hope we get a little explanation, which we probably will. And then I think this is either an anklet or a bracelet, but it looks like a little heartbeat charm. Super cute. And I love silver. Like I know I said this, I literally say this every single time. Like whenever I'm wearing my rose gold earrings, I'm like, gold, not for me. But here I am wearing the rose gold earrings, so But silver is my favorite color jewelry to wear. So yeah, fun fact about me if you cared about that. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is another satchel. And let's see what we got here. We have happiness from within. Are they tea? By using the highest quality herbs, there's absolutely no need to include any artificial or natural flavoring. Enjoy your tea the way nature intended. So what like flavor are they? It just says Buddha teas, so maybe we'll get a little bit of an explanation. I have recently developed a tea addiction. my hair is a hot mess. I don't even know what's going on. Like, hair, please, SOS. But I have been looking for a peach white tea, like tea bags, not like sugar tea. So if you know where I can get some, hit me up, please, because I've been looking for some. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is this other gray satchel bag. And oh, it's a little turquoise elephant necklace. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, and it matches with the elephant on the box. Okay, that's really, really cute. Also, happy that, again, that everything's silver. So far, I've gotten 3 jewelry items. And then here is a dark chocolate mint truffle that I just dropped. I literally suck at this. Okay, so we're getting through here. We have this little card that says, just breathe. All the wonders you seek are within yourself, from Sir Thomas Browne. So we have a little uplifting card. And then we have like a couple more things in here, guys. So this is a Just Breathe lavender essential oil whipped shea butter. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm going to open. Yeah, I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it because I'm here for relaxing scents and everything. Yes. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice. I normally am like, oh, I don't like floral scents, but this actually, like, as soon as I was opening up, I was like, oh, do I have like a dupe here for the lavender sleepy time and from Slush, and that's lavender and chamomile. This smells really, really nice. Okay, and then next I have this lavender body scrub with organic lavender buds in it. I feel like this is really coarse salt. Yeah, it's sea salt. I feel like this is really coarse salt to like, I'm not going to use this as a body scrub because I think the salt, like I know the salt is too thick. I mean, it's not small enough to not cause micro tearing, and I only know this because I own my own cosmetic business, but I do think that this would be really nice to put in the bathtub and like do a salt soak with. So this isn't going to go to waste. But the last thing that we have in here is this Just Breathe lavender. Ooh, okay, this is the essential oil roll-on. So I've never used one of these before, guys. This is my first time. Oh my god, that's actually like way more potent than I was expecting it to be. Oh, it's a little overpowering. I should have given it a second. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and read through everything in this in the card. It says okay, is there like I'm looking for like a total value of the box thing here, but we don't have that in the card. So it does give a what's in your box like summary. It says that it is a heartbeat bracelet, a silver tone bracelet with the heartbeat symbol to remind you to stay balanced, calm, and peaceful. And then it kind of gives like a little how to use everything, like the essential oil roller, the body scrub, the shea butter, the Buddha tea. The Buddhist tea is lavender. I've never had lavender tea, so I'm totally down to try that. And then it says great things to know, and it lists some foods that help to relieve anxiety, such as Brazil nuts, pumpkin seeds and bananas, dark chocolate, berries, and oatmeal. Okay, so in total, I honestly kind of got a little bit more of a jewelry vibe from this box than I did aromatherapy and like calming down, because like, I mean, the exterior of the box, even if you didn't know what this was, it says inhale peace, exhale love, and like the brand name is Just Breathe. So I was kind of expecting more like, I was expecting to receive at least like 3 roll-on types of products to kind of go along with like the whole relaxing theme And so while I understand that this is like a lavender theme and the lavender goes with like keeping calm, I got 3 jewelry items and I got 3 like skincare, 2 skincare items, and then the lavender essential oil roll on. So I personally got more of like a jewelry kind of like vibe from this subscription, not really aromatherapy. However, I can appreciate that everything was coordinated. I can appreciate like it was lavender essential oil and lavender body scrub and lavender shea butter. I swear, I thought I read something about getting a aromatherapy. No, yeah, it says each month we will include an original aromatherapy necklace. So I don't know which one is the aromatherapy necklace. Okay, it says aromatherapy handcrafted sterling silver chain adorned with a light sea blue metallic lava bead. How to use: roll the lavender essential oil on the lava stone and drop on your own essential oil. Okay. So, I mean, at least they give that little bit of breakdown, and like not reading that was on me. I do think it's cool that you'll get a necklace to pair up with each essential oil that you get, but I don't know, I feel a little underwhelmed with this box. I don't really feel like there's anything in here that I was like, oh my gosh. Like, I do think that the aromatherapy necklace and the heartbeat bracelet were very cute. But I don't know, I'm not really getting the aromatherapy just breathe vibe from it. It just felt a lot more like jewelry subscription than it did aromatherapy. So that is it for my Just Breathe subscription unboxing. What did you guys think of this box? Do you really get the aromatherapy vibe? Is there something in here that you would love to see for a future month's idea? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.